Yo, what's the deal? This is Nature, you know what I'm saying? Representing NYC. Right now, we in MTV buildings doing what it do, you know what I mean? Trying to get the footage of that great old New York rap that's been missing. Doing sway right there, you know?
Yeah. And today we got two very special guests. Man, I don't know, man. This guy, man, we got to put out an APB to find him. Alright? I really love this dude from way back in the day. Welcome to Rapfix for the very first time. Get up for Nature.
Yeah.
You wanna hang out for a little bit? Cause you know, we about to have a future legend on the couch too.
When you first coming up, my name is Lupe Fiasco. Which comes directly from Firm Fiasco.
Crazy, man.
4 little kids in the basement of Chicago.
That's
Listening to the Firm all day long, trying to figure out how to rap. So